What up, guys? It's your boy Shell Shock, and we are here for another unboxing or ripping. But today it's gonna be different. But before I start, let me show you my pulls pickup. So I bought a mystery pack on a hobby shop, and I pulled a Flair 93-94 Michael Jordan. So you can see it's a pretty old one, but it's a 93-94, so it's pretty cool. And also pick up a John Morant Select base card. Pretty cool. Here's the latest select card. And a Mosaic Jamorant rookie card. Base card. And also a NBA Hoops Premium Stock Tribute Jamorant rookie card. So we're pretty lucky lately, especially on the rookie pulls. The mystery pulls on the mystery packs that we bought in Hobby Shop. So I have my top loader and my sleeves ready, and my top loader is ready. And today we are going to rip or unbox this WNBA 2021 Prizm basketball card, Panini basketball card. So there are 5 inserts parallel unwrapped. So that's what we're looking for. And look for the iconic silver Prizm. Look for the blaster exclusive green pulsar prisms. All right. So I've been following WNBA for quite some time now. I like WNBA since Cynthia Cooper and Lisa Leslie, but I'm a Connecticut Sun fan, Rebecca Lobo and such. But now I'm a new school WNBA fan, so I pretty much know a lot of players, but I'm typically following and try to pull Connecticut Sun players, and some rookies and players that I follow, like Diana Taurasi, Sue Bird, this is Cam Page. This is Asia Wilson, the MVP last year. So as you can see, we ripped the Panini certified plastic cover. So there's 4 cards in the pack and 5 packs in the box. So this is a blaster box retail. It retails almost $40 with tax. But we're lucky we got it. Oh, we got some in Walmart. Okay. Still Panini. All right, let's go. WNBA. So hopefully we get some rookies that I like. All right, let's start with this first one. Ooh, it's been a while that I haven't opened this. All right, first rip would be Kia Nurse, Phoenix Mercury. She got traded there. This is a Liberty jersey. That's Kia Nurse. Good starter, good player. Next would be Elizabeth Williams from Atlanta Dream. Ooh, these are good signs. These are good vets. Next would be Alicia Gray, Dallas Wings, and that's a silver Prizm right there. So that's pretty good. Let's try to... I have some open over here. Try to sleeve this, because that's what we're looking for. So we're looking for silver. And we have a Connecticut Sun, Brian January. Nice. That's gonna be my personal collection. Connecticut Sun player. That's good. How I wish I got all Connecticut Sun players. Brian January. Nice. Prizm. Kind of wish this one's a silver one. Alright, looking good so far. Next would be... This is a pretty expensive pack. $40, Only a few cards. Alright, first card. Ari McDonald, Atlanta Dream. There's a lot of Atlanta Dream players. That's a rookie card. So we'll put it here. That's a rookie. We have an insert. We have Get Hype by Satu Sabali, Dallas Wings. That's a good one too. An insert. So we'll probably sleeve that one. So we'll sleeve both of the rookies. Ooh, I wish I get a rookie card of my idol lately. It's DeJohnny Carrington. So we got a base rookie card, and we got an insert. Oh, that's a nice all-star card. We got Nneka Ogwumike from Los Angeles Sparks. That's an all-star right there. So this is pretty cool. There's a lot of All-Star. Natasha Cloud. That's nice. Another good player from Washington. I hate her because she always beat the Suns 3 years ago. So, 2 good pulls so far and a lot of vets. So, I know all these players, so I'm pretty excited. And next card is, speaking of the player that I know, Candy Carter for Atlanta Dream. Seems like I have a lot of Indiana Fever. Let's see who's this one. Victoria Vivians. Now I kind of jinx it, huh? Oh, there's an insert. Let's see what is it. Sparks. All right, maybe a Wnba. Cooper. Oh, a Wnba. There you go. Nneka Wnba. Nice. Yeah, going to sleeve that too. And we got a rookie, Charlie Collier from Dallas Wings. Good. Good so far. Again, this retails $40. There's not a lot of WNBA Blaster Pack release, so we're lucky to have one. It's another rookie card. 3 potential good cards for now. I wonder if they have like a retro one. Last 2 packs. Well, guess what? Now I got a legend. The one that I'm one of them looking for. Sue Bird. It's not a rookie card, but it's Prizm. So this will work. Good money, at least for collectors out there. So we got Sue Bird, the legend. Nice. Next card would be an emergent card. The MVP from last year. Green Pulsar Emergent. Woo. All right. Pretty good. Pretty good. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. I'm sure there's more Connecticut some player. Asia Wilson. Nice. So as you can see, she's the one in the box. Asia right there. Alright. Guess I get my money's worth. Next player is Jockey Young, Las Vegas. Next would be Monique Billings. Damn, I have a lot of Atlanta Dream players here. I wish I get Courtney Williams, though, which is an all-star this year. Alright, let's see. Alright, those are base cards. Basically, 1. There's like 3 Atlanta Dream. Okay, last pack. Hopefully we get a good one. Alright. Bria Holmes. But she's in Sparks now. That's a Connecticut Sun jersey. Now she's in LA Sparks. Ooh, I used to really, really like her. Alright. Odyssey Sims. She's pretty good too. Alright, we got a green pulsar there. That's Los Angeles Sparks again. Amanda. Oh, this is a Amanda. What? I forgot her how to pronounce this. Zowie B. Yeah, Zowie B. Oh, green pulsar, but she got a New York Liberty jersey. But that's pretty nice. That's the green pulsar too. And then we got last card, Daniel Robinson from Indiana Fever. All right, so we got Zowie B here that we are going to sleeve too. It's pretty nice, green. But she's updated that she's a Spark now. Before she got traded, they get that picture. They took that picture. All right, so that's not bad for our first time on a WNBA pool. Let's see. Let's do a quick review. Base cards, we got Daniel Robinson, Odyssey Sims, Bria Holmes. It used to be a Connecticut Sun. Elizabeth Williams, Chandy Carter, Monique Billings, Jackie Young. They're good players. Victoria Vivians, Natasha Cloud, an all-star. Nneka Wnba, and Kian Nurse. So these are good pulls right here. Even Jockey Young is good. These are base cards. Alright, so those are good base cards, I guess. I want to keep Bria Holmes, but she's not an all-star. Okay, and then we got a rookie. We got 2 rookie cards. Ari McDonald from Arizona, and Charlie Collier, Dallas Wings. Not bad. And of course, my personal collection. I got my first Connecticut Sun player. It's Brianne January. Oh, I love her. Good point guard. And of course, for good pulls, we got the legend Sue Bird, Zowie B Green Pulsar, MVP Asia Wilson last year and the champion, All-Star Neka Ogwumike, Satu Sabali from Dallas Wings, and Alicia Gray from Dallas Wings. Silver Prizm. Alright, so what do you think about this box? Is it worth it? You got 4 cards per pack, 5 packs per box. So that's basically 20 in a box. Hopefully you like this ripping unboxing for my first WNBA Panini Prizm box. Let me know about your comments. What's your opinion about this? Is it worth it? $40, almost $40 with tax. And should I get one more? Because not a lot of people are looking for this box, and probably they're still sitting in Walmart. Alright, this is Shell Shock. As I always say, keep collecting. Peace.